Hi, fifth graders. I wanted to show you how to access some online resources for math class this year. So just like you've had in years past, you do have an electronic version of the textbook, you have practice lessons you can work on, and you have some math learning games that are all available to you. So you can see that I'm in your class link dashboard right now. That, remember, is the blue square icon with the white cloud. And to get to your online math resources this year, you're going to look for that three-colored cube, the same place you go to find the diagnostic. It says iReady underneath it. So when you click on this, it's going to open up that page where you can choose between math and reading. You can click on the reading icon for extra reading resources, or the math icon to access all of the math games and activities. The first screen that comes up will have some sample lessons for you, so there will always be something called My Path. These lessons are based on the skills you worked on in the diagnostic. If your teacher has assigned a lesson to you, it will also show up right on this main dashboard, and it will be over to the left. It'll say Teacher Lessons or Teacher Assigned Lessons, and it will list what you have to do underneath. At the bottom, you'll also see you have different icons that can take you to different parts of your online math dashboard. If you click on the icon for My Progress, it will track the number of minutes you've spent this week and this school year on lessons, and it will also tell you the number of lessons that you've completed in a row. You can also see your completed work by clicking on this drop down. If you click on My Stuff, it gives you some different options for ways to change your background to make it unique and more personal for you. If you click on the bookshelf, this is where you can find a digital version of the math book that we use in class. So if you forgot your book at school or if you wanted to review at home, you can open up this bookshelf. It lists all of our units off to the left, and within each page you will have these different icons along the top. So if there's something that can be read aloud to you, it will. You can print pages from your book, you can zoom in, you can bookmark them. Some of the pages you might be able to write on or annotate, and you also have access to a calculator here. To get back to that dashboard, you just click on the X up at the top. You also have some different math tools. These are things that you saw during the diagnostic. You can use things like counters or base 10 blocks or fraction models to help you as you're working online. And finally, you have access to some learning games. So different learning games will be unlocked later in the school year, but you will always start with these two, Hungry Fish and a Cloud Machine game. And these are just ways to practice different math concepts that are related to what we're doing in class. And again, to get back to that dashboard, just click on this X. So that's how you find the different resources for math online this year. Enjoy some of those learning games and activities.